On today's episode of Warehouse Safety Tips, we're going to be talking about ensuring fire safety awareness. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, Warehouse Safety Tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. When it comes to safety, a lot of things that you do at your facility are just in case items. Today is going to be no different. We're talking about fire safety awareness. One of the things that you want to keep in mind with fire is that you want to make sure that you are preventing fires, that you know how to detect fires, and you also know the response of fires. So it's basically a fire safety plan. So one of the very first things that we want to talk about is something that we always talk about with safety, and that is training. And that means going through and not only educating people on the prevention, the detection, and the response of fires, but also having regular fire drills. We also want to make sure that there's somebody that is either on your safety team, maintenance, management, whoever handles this, going through and making sure that there are fire detectors, heat sensors, and sprinklers, and that all those items are in working condition and up to date. And then making sure that exit routes are made aware to the staff, and that those exits, lighting, and extinguishers are always ready and people know how to use them. Then the other thing is making sure that handling and storage of anything that's flammable is handled in a way that is special from other things, because you want to make sure that they're in areas where they're not going to cause a problem and that people know exactly what to do in case there is. And then the last thing, and none of these things are the end all. It's just a very high level look at it, but making sure that housekeeping is done. So making sure that oily rags aren't left out, or that if there is a flammable fluid that's around, that there is not any way for it to ignite. And again, just making sure that people are aware of the exit routes, that all the things that go around that, such as exit signs, making sure that things are properly marked with safety floor tape and signs, directing them where to go. And then also, once either during a drill or an actual fire, you have an area where you meet so that everyone knows that everyone is safe and that everyone has gotten out during that drill, or if there's been an issue, that everyone is out and safe. So all those things are basically either planning, prevention, or during an actual emergency response. So make sure that all those things are part of your fire prevention plan, and that your safety team is going through and performing those in a just in case manner, to where that if there is a fire, you're always prepared. So thank you very much for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Make sure you stay safe, have a great day, and here is a word from one of our sponsors.
It's scientifically unexplainable. It's virtually indestructible. And it's taking over the entire planet. But in a really good way. It's Mighty Line floor tape, the most durable floor tape in the world. 7 times thicker than average floor tape. Beveled to endure pounding warehouse traffic. And backed with a super strong peel and stick adhesive, so you'll never have to worry about painting shop floors again. Mighty Line floor tape, the only durable stripe.